Welcome back, my home cooks and chefs. Today we got something really simple and easy to do. We're gonna be doing a taco seasoning recipe, you guys. This is one of my best taco seasonings to make. You can put on fajitas, you know what I'm saying, ground beef, turkey, ground turkey, anything. You know what I'm saying? So simple, so you don't have to go to the store and buy your own. Is one way to make it. So I'm gonna tell you the ingredients right now. Let's get right into it. All right, so we're gonna have about 3 tablespoons of chili powder. We're gonna have 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon of dry oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So you know you gotta have a little kick in. So let's mix all these things, these ingredients together. Just have a little bowl. We're gonna start assembling everything. Like I said, it's gonna be real simple, quick, and easy recipe. So let's start with the chili powder. Put it in. Now, and next is going to be the cumin. I like cumin on my chili, when I'm doing chili. Onion powder. Now, you can do granulated or you can do powder. Either way to go. This is granulated. Next, you want to add in your paprika, paprika, and all the rest of your ingredients. You're going to add in your cayenne pepper, your spice. I got a kick. Here's your cayenne, your oregano, and last but not least, your garlic powder. So this is granulated, so either way it goes, still pretty good. Don't leave nothing left behind. Make sure everything is in there. All your ingredients is in a pot. And get a spoon or a fork. So what I do is I have a fork and just mix all your ingredients up. If you see any clumps, make sure you smash them like that. Make sure everything is incorporated in smoothly. Yep. And there you go, guys. All right, so if you notice in this, you notice there's no salt, but if you like to add salt in here, for those that don't want salt, this is very excellent. If you're, watching your salt intake, but if you would like to add it in, you can add whatever salt you would like. But this one right now, this recipe does not have any salt. But if you would like to add salt, like I said, you can add about, 1 to 2 tablespoons and stuff like that. But preferably, I'm not. And pretty much it's done, you guys. Tell me what you think. Thanks for stopping on through. This is a really excellent seasoning, simple. Put it in a jar, save it, and sprinkle it on any kind of meat to make your next tacos. All right, talk to you later. This is your boy KC, and I'll see you in the next one.